Hello friends, today we will learn about another group of vertebrate animals. We will talk about reptiles. Reptiles are oviparous animals. That is, they are born from eggs. Their bodies are full of hard scales and their legs are very short. And some of them don't even have any, like snakes. Some reptiles have shells like turtles. They are cold-blooded animals, that is, their body temperature varies according to the ambient temperature. They breathe through their lungs. They usually live in warm places, and it is difficult to see them during the winter. Did you know that reptiles are the animals that live the longest? Some, like turtles, can live 100 years. This has been all about reptiles, my friends. And I hope you liked it. Goodbye.
¿Te ha gustado el vídeo? Tenemos mucho más. Suscríbete al canal Cultura de todo el mundo, haciendo clic en la foto.